Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to look at how we can teach the mother to do the cord care and how we can do cord care. So scenario goes, at this station, the mother after delivering of her firstborn, and the firstborn is a baby boy, demonstrate to her how to clean the cord. Procedure: create rapport with the mother so that the mother knows what you are going to do for the baby. Then explain the procedure to the mother and the reason for doing it. Position the baby well. Wash hands and put on surgical glove. Then inspect the cord for any bleeding or sign of infection. Hold the cord with the swab and clean the base using a single circular motion and single swab and discard it. Clean the cord from base upward with a swab once until the cord is clean. Leave the cord dry. Give the baby back to the mother. And thank the mother and educator on the cord care. And if possible, ask for the mother if she has any question. Document the findings, what you have done and how the cord situation is. Then clear away and wash and